Everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates channel here. With me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a Cathay Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong for maintenance. Xiamen, Beijing? Wait a minute, it's Beijing. Sorry, I mistaken, said Xiamen. It's Beijing. She took her flight number 63940. She took off at 12:32 midnight and landed at 3:16 in the morning with an average flight time 2 hours and 43 minutes. She's registered as Hotel Lima Mike because she's actually the first one to be shifted to Cathay Dragon in her since the has been on this bird then. So she had a great circular distance of 1,987 kilometers and a chow of 39 degrees. Excuse me. And this aircraft took off at the southern runway, if I'm not mistaken, and then landed at Beijing. Excuse me. So we will talk about another A330 of Cathay that just returned to Hong Kong from Beijing due to maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Lima Bravo Bravo. She's special for being the 1,000 A330 ever produced by Airbus, and to bear that we are flying the 1,000 A330 until 2019. So this aircraft had a great circle distance of 1,987 km. To her flight number is 63821. Actual flight time 2 hours and 55 minutes. Ground speed of 3 knots and a chow 118 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at 1:06 a.m. local time in Beijing and then landed at 4:01 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. She actually landed on the third runway, on the middle runway actually, and she is expected to return to service later. So for the details about the Hotel Lima Victor, kindly check the previous video aircraft. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next week for more coming updates like this one. By me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and